This is the third episode in the series of eating right according to your blood type. And today we're going to talk about blood type O, which comprises of blood groups O negative and O positive. But first, if you are of blood type A or blood type B and you want to know what foods suit you the best, click on the link above. I've already covered videos for those. Hello family, I'm Vivek and you're watching Fit Family TV. Type O is the oldest blood type. People with blood type O have a higher level of stomach acid. One more unique characteristic of people with blood type O is they have a very well developed ability to digest meals which have both protein and fats. But these abilities are not free, they come at a cost. For blood type O, simple carbohydrates from grains are more easily converted into fats and triglycerides. Many grains containing lectin can boost up your immune system, resulting in unwanted inflammation of your body. So first, let's look at the foods you need to avoid if you are of blood type O. Firstly, animal protein. Pork, ham, caviar, octopus should be avoided if you are of this blood type. Dairy products. American cheese, cheddar, buttermilk and peanut butter should be avoided. For nuts, Brazil nuts, cashews, pistachios and peanuts are not so beneficial for you. Oils and fats. Peanut oil, cottonseed oil and corn oil should not be used. Grains and cereals. Oats and oat flours, wheat and wheat flours, pasta, semolina and gluten should be avoided. Fruits and vegetables. Cabbage, avocados, mushrooms, corn, eggplant and potatoes should be avoided. And if you can't avoid them, they should be taken in a moderate quantity. For beverages, whiskeys, scotch, colas, diet sodas and black teas should be avoided. And now let's talk about the foods that you need to include in your diet if you are of blood type O. Animal protein. Chicken, beef, duck, salmon, mackerel and almost all kinds of fishes are beneficial for you. Dairy products. Soy milk, tofu, almond butter and cheese like mozzarella and feta should be included in your diet. Oils and fats. Olive oil, canola oil, cod liver oil and flaxseed oil are the most beneficial for you. Nuts. Walnuts, chestnuts, pine nuts, pumpkin seeds and almonds should be included in your diet. Fruits and vegetables. Broccoli, green leafy vegetables, garlic, pumpkin, radish, sweet potatoes, turnip are some kinds of vegetables that can be taken in your diet, and all the fruits except orange and blackberries can be taken. Beverages. Beer, red and white wine and green tea are the most beneficial for you. Now most importantly, let's talk about the foods that might aid your weight loss. Broccoli, red meat, spinach, kale and other seafoods should be included in your diet regularly if you want to lose weight and live a healthy lifestyle. So these were some of the foods that you need to include in your diet if you are of blood type O. But for the best results, contact your dietitian or a doctor before starting any kind of diet. If you have any questions, please ask me on Instagram or mention them in the comments box. I will be happily answering those. If you like the information given in this video, give it a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to become the part of the family. I'm Vivek, you're watching Fit Family TV, you're the family.